I don't hear either one of you. You should have a red light on.
Hello, hello.
Are you pressing the red button, Matt, when you talk?
You haven't turned it on yet.
Oh, yeah. All right, we got a radio check. You pick a good one. Your size, mommy size, daddy size. Excellent.
I'll keep mine here.
You're not going to take it?
Too many things.
Too many things. We're geared up too much. We got too much gear.
Too many things.
All right.
Throw it in the trash.
We have to pick up trash and throw it in the trash. We found trash in the parking lot. All right, pick it up. There it is. We don't. Oh no. We don't want to leave trash. Okay. Let's follow mommy and find a trash can. You got so much gear to carry. Can I carry your stick for you? All right. Okay, you gonna chuck it in there? Chuck.
Bye-bye, trash.
You gonna give us a whistle check before we go on the trail?
Yep.
Check's good. Check complete. What kind of gear do you have in your backpack? What kind of gear do you have in there?
Snack.
Oh, snack gear. Okay.
Survival snack.
Survival snack gear. Excellent.
Survival snack.
All right, we're backtracking. Why are we backtracking?
Daddy?
We saw a no.
Lost.
We're not lost.
Daddy?
Our car is right there. We went like 150 feet and we got lost.
Daddy?
We saw a sign that said no trespassing. You think you'll see any zombie tracks?
Turkey fried.
Yeti,
Deer.
zombies,
What else?
turkeys,
Turkey.
deer,
Deer.
raccoon.
If you're lucky, you might see alligator.
Look at that, wild roots right there coming through the trail.
Also,
Wild roots
wild fox.
on wild foxes.
Red fox, yeah.
Red fox.
Red fox, all right.
Daddy, look what we found. We found these. Yes, we just discovered those.
Yep.
Yeah.
Funny. Yeah, I could make a big
A
pile
discovery.
for you to make
Leaves
a fire.
you discovered leaves or these little balls? What did you discover?
Little balls.
Little balls.
All right.
Well, when we come back, I was going to say we'd look for the pile of leaves, but we'll just look for those little balls. Are everywhere.
I see those. Really? Daddy, guess what?
What, buddy?
I can step on the roots easily without tipping over.
Yeah, because you're an expert hiker. You're level 5 hiker.
Trail.
It's a weekday.
It's weekday.
It's pretty good. It's pretty nice to have a trail to yourself, isn't it? I think
Yeah.
on weekends it's more crowded. What do you think?
Weekend is more crowded, and we have to pass everybody.
Yeah.
Stay to the side.
Yeah,
Everything we have to stay to the side.
that's kind of a pain when you have to stay to the side.
Yeah.
That's at the trails where they're paved and people ride bikes real fast.
Yeah, like real
Look
fast.
at that.
Did you discover something else?
Go check it out.
Go check it out, Daddy.
Check it
A pile of dirt. Maybe where one day, a long, long time ago, a tree fell over.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's history.
A long time
As Mom would say, I don't know what kind of history, but that's history.
ago, maybe a tree fell over, and then the dirt tossed it up.
And the dirt tossed it up. Yep. Maybe the dirt threw the tree down. Yes. Absolutely.
Absolutely. Daddy, I found something back here. Look, like a hole.
A hole. Yes.
A pothole.
A pothole in the trail. Maybe somebody will fill in the pothole one day.
Fill in a pothole.
Are you digging out the pothole? All right, catch up with Mommy. Run. Let me see you run. Level 5 hiker. All right, better go check it
Daddy,
out.
guess what?
What, buddy?
We're looking for deer tracks and beaver forts.
What did you find over there?
So,
A beaver fort?
yeah, and we're looking for Bigfoot tracks.
Okay, let's go see if there's a beaver nearby.
Yeah. I don't know.
Beavers are big around here. They build big forts.
Maybe. I think we'll get lucky and see one.
Okay, you feel lucky?
I feel lucky.
I feel lucky too. Look at that. You gonna add to the beaver fort?
Yeah, I'm gonna help the beaver.
If you could help out, maybe you'll be an honorary level 3 beaver.
All right, put it on.
Put it.
Good job, buddy. You're an honorary beaver.
This one too.
The beavers want this one.
Yeah, throw it on there. Chuck it on.
How about the beavers have to use their pointy teeth to crush this down?
They gotta chew it up, make it smaller, cut to the right size.
Yeah.
Okay.
We're not feeding for the beavers.
How about we don't use our teeth? Just let the beavers do that. Yeah.
Beavers like rotten things.
Beavers like what?
Beavers like nasty things.
They like nasty things.
Down.
That's how I know you're not a beaver. You don't like nasty things.
No, I like good things
Like toast? Yes. You're not a beaver because you like toast.
yeah. They're delicious.
Toast is delicious. I think you're off the trail. Let's go back to this little trail over here. We don't want to get like poison ivy. One time Daddy got poison ivy all over his body and it was terrible. I had to go get a shot in my hiney. I had to get a big shot.
In your hiney?
Yeah. You don't want a shot in your hiney, do you?
No.
I better stay on the trail.
That'll be an ouchie.
Yeah. I was itchy, then I was ouchy.
It's written for you. It's written for you. It said, if Daddy could read it, go read.
What does it say?
Clue.
There's a clue in the woods. It says, what does that say? You will do great. It says you will do great. Is that an eraser? Or just a piece of wood?
Don't take it.
Somebody put it back.
Put it back.
Put it back. You will do great.
You'll do great.
It's for you.
You will not do bad.
Yeah.
Right on.
Look.
We. I like it on the trail. Not so much in Dad. That's what Daddy's truck looked like last time. Oh, hair.
Daddy,
Yeah.
I'm gonna put some leaves in your truck.
Are you again?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
And Daddy, I think next time we'll put some leaves on the truck next time.
Yeah, just do next time. Not this time. Next time. Let's leave those here. Let's run, catch up with Mommy. Run.
Let's look for any clues.
Okay. If you see a clue, you tell me.
Daddy,
Yeah.
I found something.
It's gonna be a long hike.
That's a clue.
It's a clue. It's like a stump.
Is that what the Roman
It's a clue. You know what it's a clue of? There used to be a tree there a long time ago. Right there.
Down near the path.
Maybe the dirt threw it down. I don't know, like the other one. Let's go, buddy. Where did Mommy go? Oh, Mommy's missing. We have to find Mommy. Mommy's missing. Do an investigation and find Mommy. All right. Let's hustle down the trail and find Mommy.
Oh no.
Is she there?
Whoa.
Where is she?
I thought,
Oh. Something. What's going on over there? There's bark flying out. Let's go investigate. Let's go do an investigation. All right. I'm carrying Matt's backpack. Mommy's carrying the hiking sticks.
Daddy,
One of us is going to end up with a whistle in a little bit. If we hike too far, one of us is going to have to carry the whole boy.
I found a clue, Daddy.
Another clue.
No blue.
Zombie blood is red and blue.
I found another clue.
That's a mushroom cap.
Ew.
Ew, that's gross. Yeah, we don't want it. This is why. This is why right here. You cleaning the whole trail?
Yeah.
You getting the leaves off the leaves? We're churning the leaves. We want the top layer on the bottom on the top. It's leaf churning. Not everybody can do this. Only level 5 hikers. All right, let's go, leaf churner. Can you catch up with mommy? Run by the camera. Run, run.
Yeah.
What happened to you? I see leaves on your hiney. What happened to you?
Oh.
Ugh. Ugh. What happened?
Oh.
You hiked too aggressively? Did you get too aggressive with the hike?
What's this?
You are a level 5 hiker, so sometimes you get leaves on your hiney. And that will start. All right, I'm hiking. I got my pack. You see my pack?
Yeah.
That's my pack right there. I'm only a level 4 hiker. I'm trying to catch up with Matt. Matt's a level 5. Yep. I'm ready for the survival snacks, I think, soon. Are you ready to start surviving?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Surviving.
Mommy found something fun right there.
Swing.
Yeah.
A
Daddy
swing.
Face this way so you can see. All right, you gotta hold on tight. Hold on to the chains.
Okay.
Hold on tight. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Here we go.
But don't do too
I
high.
won't do too high because this is not the kind of swing that we do high. Oh, he's non-stop going down the hill, no brakes. What's gonna happen?
Here. Here. Don't use your
You need to put a stick in there.
Don't use your finger.
Anytime we see a hole, it's a good place for a stick. I think you can climb, buddy.
I think you could do it. Hang on to that root right there. See the root?
That's a big hill.
Yeah. Hang on.
Are you making it? Are you making it? Are you making it? You gotta make some noise after you get up the hill. Give me a couple more. Keep going. Better go behind him, mommy. You're on top of the mountain. I'm gonna do this part and fast forward so you go. Turn around and give me a thumbs up.
Look at that.
Now how are we gonna come down?
Now we strap up.
Strapping up.
Strapping up. And
Uh-oh. How are we gonna come out?
I don't know.
How are we gonna come out of those?
You're gonna go under or you're gonna go over?
Are we trapped?
No, we're not strapped. We have to hold on
Okay.
to stuff. Like me, I'm holding on to stuff.
You just listen to Matt. He's a level 5 hiker.
I'm level 5.
Mommy's only level
Level 1.
3.75.
Oh,
Whoa.
that's pretty steep.
That's Christine.
Back to the trail. Good job, buddy.
Let's do it. See what is on the other side. Let Mommy know.
Tell me what's over there. What do you see?
Oh, yes, yes, yes,
What do you see over there?
Water, honey.
Water.
Water.
Oh, it's a pond.
Oh, that's pretty.
Yeah, I see a bench. I see a trash can.
That's where we can have snack. Oh, we can have snack right here.
Oh, I like right here. Look at this log, Matt. Look at this.
Hidden log. Let's have
That's
snack
hard to
right
hide. That's
here.
pretty big. Is that hidden?
No,
Oh, am I your friend?
no.
No.
Daddy friend.
You're not.
Your
Yes.
Daddy friend.
Daddy's friend.
Oh, no.
Not the friend of mommy, the friend of daddy.
No.
I get the snacks first. Thank you, buddy.
I get the snack.
Okay, put it right here.
But I'll share it with you guys.
Thank you. You're so sweet.
You share with daddy first, though, because we're friends. Oh, I'm getting M&Ms. Fantastic. Oh, those are mini M&Ms. Teeny tiny, like specks. I need like 20. Can I have 20?
But these are mine.
But that's okay. I'll have 20, please. 2. Only 18 to go. Thank you, buddy. Thank you for sharing. You're very nice to share. Is that it? Hey, you look serious. You can have it back. You can have it back.
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. I'll share back. You giving me a chocolate?
Yeah.
Oh, I'll take it.
Sweet.
All right. All right. 20.
Little boy.
19 to go.
What? But these are all my chocolates.
Yeah. But they could be all my chocolates.
No, they can't.
They can't. They can't be my. What if you give me all the chocolates and then I share a couple back with you?
No, but we have some at home.
But we're not at home. I need chocolates on the trail. I got to survive.
Okay.
All right. Now I'm going to make it. Show me your eagle eyes. Don't put your hands up. Just show me your eagle eyes. Okay, those are regular eyes right there. Now show me eagle eyes. That's zombie eyes. That's zombie. What happened to us?
Bear.
We had gummy bears, but they're very hard. We think they're expired.
You're supposed to be
You
this
see
hard.
yourself? You see yourself eating hard gummy bears? Well, not good. Don't eat the old gummy bears. Eat them when you get them. Don't wait.
Let me look.
Mommy thinks the gummy bears are always hard. You
Yeah.
tell me. Well, there's no comments on the video, but are gummy bears always hard? I don't think so. They're supposed to be gummy. It's
This
not
one
hard
you can-
bears, it's gummy bears.
This one you can chew for
Too long.
5 minutes.
That's too long. That's 4 minutes too long.
Put it in.
I thought it was gummy bears. It was hard bear because this I had.
It's hard bear.
Drink more. Last sip.
What is happening? I'm too close to you to get everything. All right.
Last sip.
Take a sip and we continue to hike.
I see.
Are you gonna jump? 5, 4, 3, 2.
This is the bridge. This is the people not using the bridge.
The next bridge. Next bridge.
It's like a reverse chimney. It's an anti-chimney.
Would you go in there?
Maybe that's where Santa comes down.
That's where Santa comes down. Maybe he lives in there and he comes out for Christmas. That's the way to the North Pole right there. Everybody heard it here. That's the entrance to the North Pole.
The only thing was, guess what? The bridge, Daddy, guess what?
What?
The bridge is the only thing that would get across water.
Yes, the only way to get across this water is the bridge.
Yep. If you don't want to step in muddy water,
Nope, don't want to do that.
no, don't want to do that. That's why we have a bridge. So see this? If we fall down, this thing right here doesn't protect us from falling.
Yeah, you would have fell if that hadn't protected you right there. It worked. Good job, bridge builder.
Good job.
Give him thumbs up.
The thing with stairs, Daddy.
It's like stairs, root stairs.
Root stairs.
Are we turning right way this way?
We could.
Oakville Trail.
We're gonna go on a Oakville Trail. Uh-oh, are we locked in?
Yeah, we're locked
There's
in.
a padlock. We're locked in.
We're on the code.
How could we possibly
Get out.
get out?
Help me.
How could you possibly get out? You're locked in. There's a padlock.
Code, try the code. What are your codes?
Oh, 6, 7, 9, 8, 3, 12, enter. Yes, it worked.
It worked. What was the code again?
6, 7, 9, 4, 3, 12, enter.
Okay, in case you hike here, remember that code. Write it down. Okay, I'm not supposed to see this. I wonder where they went. Just hiking down the trail. Minding my own business, just hiking down the trail. Hiking down. What happened? Something's flying out. Something is flying out of the woods. What's happening? What's happening? Ah! Oh! Okay. I'm waiting for you to clean up the branches. He's doing some trail maintenance. Taking sticks from that side. He's putting them over there. So that if anyone was to go over there, it wouldn't. Now it'll be clean.
Just take.
So put it over there. Now take one from over there and put it over there. No? He said no. Good job, buddy. High five. High five, trail maintenance man. All right. Good job. What's going to happen? Are you blocking my path? You can't do that. You can't do that. That's the sign that used to say danger. But now you can't read it, so let's go. Just going to, oh! Oh, did you see the wood fly? I saw some wood fly. Oh, oh! There you are, it's you. It's not a zombie, it's Matt.
Daddy?
Oh,
All right, let's go.
should we take a new route with another bridge, Matt, or should we take the old route? Give me 1 thumbs up for new route. Give me 2 thumbs up for old route.
Please. 1.
All right.
Okay. All right. New route. I can still see you. Oh, the bush is shaking. What's going on? What is happening here? It's a bush shake. Ah! Oh, that's scary. Oh, that's so scary. Did you see this bush shaking? Did you see it?
Yeah.
Wait, why was it shaking?
Because the monster was shaking.
A monster. Abbey Preserve monster. Named Matt.
No, it's not me. It's the monster. It's giant, and there's 1 monster, 2 Bigfoot.
1 monsters and 2 Bigfoots in Abbey Preserve. Okay. Okay. The trail has disappeared. The trail that was here last time disappeared. I swear it was right by the trash can. It must have got overgrown.
In the last
It was right there.
In the last 2 days.
All right, Matt, let's go, buddy. Mommy made a wrong turn. Because Daddy told her to. Got to rehydrate.
Otherwise, he will not moving.
Got to stay hydrated on the trail, otherwise we're not moving.
You have to move fast.
Yeah.
That's the whole trick behind that.
Okay, Daddy.
Are you hydrated?
Yeah.
Good.
Okay, Mommy.
Oh, some green. Daddy, something green.
Something
You
green.
see, Daddy? Matt, look. Look, like that green.
Something
It
green.
changed color into green right there.
Something changes color. Oh, a lizard.
Go close. See how close can we get, Matt? Maybe we can go on the finger.
Oh.
Nope.
He chose not to go on the finger.
He said bye-bye.
I touched his tail.
Oh,
I really touched his tail.
you
a
really
little
did?
bit. He was right here, and then I came up very close, and then I touched his tail very quick.
Oh, good job, buddy.
Like,
You're like, not only are you a hiker, you're like a animal expert.
Ew.
I got to pay to get through. Okay, here's my money.
Thank you.
All right, thank you. I'm gonna do a turtle call.
Matt can do that.
You want to do the turtle call, Matt?
Yeah, first
Give me 3 toots for a turtle call.
I need my necklace on.
Gotta have the necklace. Okay, give me a turtle call. It's not working. Those might be the.
Let's see, that's a turtle.
They might be deaf. We're downwind, so they can't hear us. Ha!
What? You wanna climb up here?
False alarm. It's not an ice cream truck. It sounds like church bells.
Climb up there? I'll let you.
Somebody's probably getting married. Nobody's listening to me. Nobody cares. I thought I heard an ice cream truck.
It sounds like ice cream truck, Daddy.
I think it's just church bells.
Stand upright and say
That
hello.
looks-
Hi. Is that just church bells?
Yeah, no ice cream truck, just church bells.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Food shop.
Oh,
Oh, foot shop. Ha!
hey, one more.
Ha! Watch stick to the face. She finds mushrooms.
Mushroom, Daddy. Mushroom. Look.
I mean, it could be 15 feet off the trail, hidden behind a log, and she will find it. It's like you can smell it. You're like the mushroom lady. You're the
It's
mushroom lady.
Flower of the woods.
Flower of the woods. That you can eat, and it might be poisonous. I think it adds something to the hike when the church bells are going off. I think they should do that all the time.
Maybe the wind is blowing the bell.
Could be. Oh, Daddy almost fell. That's what happens when you're taking selfie stick videos. You almost fall on the trail. Run, 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 run. What is happening? I'll go around the backside and investigate. There's 2 people with sticks. It's perfect. You're gonna make some jewelry. Look at that. If you ever want to know what a perfect rock looks like, according to my wife, that rock is perfect. What is your impression of the rock? Whoa.
Whoa.
It's hard, it. Tight pants. They're in style, though. All right.
Last sip.
We missed the swing. We
missed the
walked.
swing.
We walked the same way, but the opposite direction.
Daddy,
Exact same, but different. And we missed the swing.
where's the swing?
You know, it is somewhere. I guarantee it is somewhere. Somewhere back there.
You almost get to the car.
Hey, guess what? It's not Sunday. You know what that means?
Did somebody die?
No, it's not Sunday. That means Chick-fil-A's open. You talking about people dying? It's not Sunday.
A while back, we just heard the bell.
Yeah. It's Chick-fil-A day. We can go to Chick-fil-A. It's open. That's where I was going with that.
Yay!
Camera, Daddy.
I think there's one on the other side. I don't think it's a camera. I think it's when people walk past there, maybe at night, it goes ding dong somewhere and they know people are in there.
Yeah.
Other kids how to hike.
We showed the kids how to hike?
Yeah.
Yeah, do you enjoy showing kids how to hike?
Yeah.
Me too. Are you, what level hiker are you?
Number 5.
Number 5. Working on number 6. Good job, buddy.